Hi everyone, good evening. So today I'm going to be talking about the differences between chi-square and Fisher's test. So Fisher's exact test. So these are two tests used for similar purposes, but a lot of us don't know what is the difference between two of them and when do we use which. So you mostly use the chi-square test of independence when you have that is after building your cross table already. That is between the two categorical variables that you have. You want to check the relationship between two of them. So if you have in each of those particular cell blocks, you have high frequencies, let's say above 5, then this is where you use the chi-square. So most of the times we use the chi-square when your frequencies are large, frequencies between two variables or two categories in two variables. But Fisher's exact is usually used when you have a lot of zeros, when you have a lot of zero values. So let's say now they want to check the relationship between a gender and let's say race, for example. Now, so between one particular gender and race, you now found out that there was zero frequency or zero. That means, let's say for male gender now under Hispanic, you found out that the frequency is 0. You also found out in another place, let's say for female gender now under Caucasian, you found out it was it was 0. So this is where you can now use the Fisher's exact test. So you only have 0 values inside your frequency or your cross table table. But when you have high frequencies, you can go ahead to proceed with the chi-square. So both of them are really similar. You use them for similar purposes, except that sometimes your sample size might not even be large enough. So this is where you can consider your Fisher's exact test. In places where you have high frequencies, high sample size, you go for your chi-square analysis. So this is difference between Fisher's exact test and chi-square tests.